Welcome to TDS Online Math. Okay, now let's see how we can solve for a squared plus b squared plus c squared. Okay, from this mathematical statement. Okay, now we have a plus b plus c. Okay, in common here, a plus b plus c. Okay, so let's see how we can solve for a squared, b squared, and c squared. All right, now let's get started. Okay, now, all right, so from here I'll expand this. Okay, that will be a squared plus ab plus ac equals to 45. So let me name this one equation 1. Okay, now let's do same to this. So we have ab plus b squared, okay, plus bc equals to 75. So the last equation will be AC plus BC plus C squared equals 105. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to add the three equations. Okay, so I'm going to put them together. Now I have A squared, B squared, and C squared here. So let's put them together and see what will happen. So we have A squared plus AB. I'm starting from the equation 1 plus AC plus AB plus B squared plus BC plus AC plus BC plus C squared equals to. So let's add the three. We have 105 plus 75. So 0810 plus 45, 522. So we have 225. Okay, now let's arrange this one well. Now our target is a squared, b squared, and c squared. So let's bring them out. A squared plus b squared plus c squared. Okay, good. Now let's observe something. So we have AC, so that would be plus 2AC. Okay, then we have AB, 2AB. Okay, then we have BC, 2BC equals to 225. All right, now let's arrange this one well. So we have a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus, so let's take 2 out and arrange it. So that would be AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, AB, so BC then AC equals to 225. Okay, now when you are given A plus B plus C or squared, you are going to get everything here. Okay, it means that this one squared will give us this, and therefore we need to balance it. Since 15 squared is 225, the same as 15 squared. Okay, it means a plus b plus c is equal to 15. So a plus b plus c is equal to 15. So let's note this one down. Okay, now from here, okay, since a plus b plus c is known, we can do substitution. So from the first equation here, a out, a, b, c. So we have a out, a plus b plus c equals to 45. Okay, so from here, a is the same as 45 on a plus b plus c. Okay, but a plus b plus c is 15. Therefore, a is 45 on 15. So which is 3. So 3 times 15 is 45. Now let's go to the second option, b. Okay, so b out, a plus b plus c equals to 75. So same thing, a plus b plus c. B will be 75 on a plus b plus c. Therefore, b is 75 over 15. Okay, so 15 times 5 is 75. So we have 5. Okay, now let's check the last one. So we have c. Okay, that is 105. A plus b plus c equals to 105. So c is 105 on a plus b plus c, which is 105 on 15. Okay, so 105 on 15, 5 here, 3, 5 here, 2, 1, 3 here, 7. So we have 7 here. Okay, now remember the question is demanding for a squared, b squared, and c squared. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to square a, b, and c and put them together. Okay, so we have a as 3, okay, b as 5, and c as 7. So the question is demanding for a squared plus b squared plus c squared. So we have 3 squared plus 5 squared plus 7 squared. So we have 9, 25, then 49. Okay, so we have 49 plus 25, 10, 4, 74 plus 9. So we have 83 as the final answer. All right, 83 as the final answer. All right, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.